snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Sorry that this frame is kind of awkward, but a very good thing to do, especially cleaning for the new year or cleaning for a new season, that I definitely recommend, is going through the things that you do have and analyzing them one by one. If you think that item makes you happy, brings you joy, if it doesn't, you should just get rid of it, because honestly, like, holding on to all that stuff, it just builds up clutter over time, and then you realize you have so many things that don't even bring you joy anymore, that you don't even want. And besides, every year you're gonna get new stuff anyways. It's always like, you're always gonna get new stuff. Like, you can't deny that truth. So like, for instance, this little pink Santa guy, right? He's cute. I mean, like, but like, am I in love with him? I know this is probably going really deep for like something as simple as a freaking ornament, but like, honestly, I want to get rid of the ornaments that aren't just giving me joy and like aren't my perfect idea of like what I want and envision for next year, because I could just add, like, during this next year coming ahead, like, I'm gonna find stuff. And I think that's something that we need to like really get better at doing, is really analyzing something and saying, hey, is this something that we really want? Does this make us happy? Whether that's something as simple as cleaning and decluttering or other aspects of your life. I think cleaning for me is so much more than just cleaning. For me, it's a way to decompress, and like, for some people they're like, why would you clean if you're decompressing? And like, for me, that's just how I process it. Like, it's always been an outlet for me to just get rid of like the tension, anger, sadness, whatever I'm dealing with, or stress. For me, that's just something that works. So I really try to take cleaning as deep as possible that I can. And for me, it's definitely decluttering those things that aren't necessary to my life anymore and just making room for the new things. And I just thought that was something cool to add, because 2022 is now here, and there's nowhere where it says like you have to start 2022 100% brand new. Like, no, I think January itself in 2022 is a process, and I think that during that process of the days, like, you start slowly transitioning into the new things that you want to do in your life. And yeah, today is January 3rd and I'm barely starting to get rid of my Christmas stuff, but at least I'm starting, and there's a lot of good things coming in my life. I don't know, I'm just going on a tangent here, but I just wanted to say that. Let's get back on into the cleaning. I'm so excited to keep doing these vlogs for you. Okay, so all these clips are gonna be so weirdly angled, but I'm gonna take this little beautiful Christmas table runner, which actually she's kind of dirty. What? So sad. But anyways, so cute. I never actually get to use it. I bought this like maybe 3 years ago, and I have yet to be able to use it because I don't have my own place. Just, you know, first world problems. But how was your guys' New Year's and Christmas? I feel like, guys, I also still want to do a what I got for Christmas video. Should I just add it in this vlog? I mean, at this point, right? More content. I don't know. Like, I was so busy after. I feel like I should wrap her. I was so busy after Christmas. Then I had to go back to work, to my job that I just really. You know, the great thing about jobs, you can always get a new one. And I'm so excited to look forward. I'm just excited to look forward to a new year where I may have a new job now. There are things in the works, and I'm excited because last year I really just stayed in a position where I just wasn't happy, wasn't valued, and it just is the worst feeling in the world, especially when you have to go there every single day. Like, that's literally your life every day, and it just wasn't the vibe. And no shade to that place, but it just wasn't for me. And I don't even know how I started talking about this. Anyways, so far I've curated this bag of things that I'm getting rid of, and I'm excited. It always makes me feel like a weight lifted off my chest because I'm getting rid of the old. Wow, this frame looks really bad. It looks like I'm a freaking hoarder, so I apologize. Okay, so now we brought the big boy. We brought the big box. I'm gonna put the tree away. So let's get started on doing that.